Top 30 Indian GK MCQs. The first French factory in India was established in Bombay, Kolkata, Surat, Ahmedabad. The correct answer is option C, Surat. The Taj Mahal was built by which Mughal emperor in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal? Akbar, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb, Babur. The correct answer is option B, Shah Jahan. Mahatma Gandhi founded which of the following newspaper in 1903 at South Africa? Indian Opinion, Indian Times, Indian Speaker, India News. The correct answer is option A, Indian Opinion. The first Indian to travel to space is Vijay Krishna, Rajiv Mehta, Rakesh Sharma, none of these. The correct answer is option C, Rakesh Sharma. Which Indian state is the largest producer of coffee? Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is option B, Karnataka. Which is the longest beach in India? Kanyakumari Beach, Marina Beach, Silver Beach, none of these. The correct answer is option B, Marina Beach. What is the highest civilian award in India? Bharat Ratna, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Shri. The correct answer is option A, Bharat Ratna. Which is the highest waterfall in India? Dudhsagar Falls, Jog Falls, Niagara Falls, none of these. The correct answer is option B, Jog Falls. The Red Fort in Delhi was built by which Mughal emperor? Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. The correct answer is option C, Shah Jahan. Indian Air Force Day is celebrated on 8th October, 9th October, 10th October, 11th October. The correct answer is option A, 8th October. In which year did India first host the Commonwealth Games? 2002, 2010, 2014, 2006. The correct answer is option B, 2010. Which mountain range separates the Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan Plateau? Western Ghats, Himalayas, Eastern Ghats, none of these. The correct answer is option B, Himalayas. Which city is famous for its marble industry and is known as the city of Taj? Jaipur, Agra, Udaipur, none of these. The correct answer is option B, Agra. Who is the first non-Indian to receive the Bharat Ratna? Kalpana Chawla, Mother Teresa, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, none of these. The correct answer is option C, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. In which year did the Indian Railways operate its first passenger train? 1848, 1853, 1862, 1875. The correct answer is option B, 1853. Which state is known as the land of five rivers? Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan. The correct answer is option A, Punjab. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Sardar Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is option B, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. In which year was the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO founded? 1965, 1972, 1980, 1969. The correct answer is option D, 1969. Who is the author of the book The Discovery of India? Jawaharlal Nehru, Rabindranath Tagore, R.K. Narayan, none of these. The correct answer is option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the national flower of India? Rose, lotus, marigold, jasmine. The correct answer is option B, lotus. The Qutb Minar in Delhi was built by which ruler? Akbar, Humayun, Qutbuddin Aibak, Shah Jahan. The correct answer is option C, Qutbuddin Aibak. Which desert is located in the northwest part of India? Thar Desert, Sahara Desert, Gobi Desert, none of these. The correct answer is option A, Thar Desert. The Gateway of India monument is located in which city? Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Delhi. The correct answer is option A, Mumbai. Which Indian city is known as the City of Joy? Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai. The correct answer is option A, Kolkata. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai. The correct answer is option C, Bangalore. What is the official name of the Parliament of India? Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, Sansad Bhavan, Parliament House. The correct answer is option C, Sansad Bhavan. Which Indian state is famous for its backwaters and houseboats? Kerala, Goa, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is option A, Kerala. What is the official language of the Indian government? Hindi, English, Bengali, Telugu. The correct answer is option B, English. Which Indian festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Diwali, Holi, Eid, none of these. The correct answer is option A, Diwali. Which Indian state is famous for its Valley of Flowers National Park? Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir, Sikkim. The correct answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for the latest informative MCQs.